checking. Lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, some of our artists has been doing exceptionally well over the past few years. And this next group taking to the stage, established in 2009, doing incredible work, hailing from Limpopo, ladies and gentlemen, representing this youth choir, has been assisting and helping young children from the age of youngsters from 14 to 24 years old, giving them the opportunity to perform locally and abroad. And you have notes, obviously, America's Got Talent. I've seen what's been happening. Even Simon Cowell, the rest of the world, took note of what this particular group has done, ladies and gentlemen. So they are here to entertain you. Are you ready for them, ladies and gentlemen? They're doing incredible work.